Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine, children. Every class we have discussed dietetic chemistry, 7th class. Previous class, what we done, children? First, how many gaseous elements we have, children? 11 gaseous elements. 6 noble gases, 5 normal gases. 6 noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Next 5 noble gases: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine. Next liquid elements. Liquid metal, one element is there. Liquid non-metal, one element is there. Liquid metal, mercury. Liquid non-metal, bromine. Next, what is metalloids? The elements exhibit both properties. Metals and non-metallic properties are called as metalloids. Metalloids example: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, selenium, tellurium. Next, we have discussed IUPAC naming after 100 elements. What is abbreviation of IUPAC? International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC name abbreviation. After that, 100 element is called fermium. 100 element is called fermium. After 100 element is called super heavy elements or transfermium elements. After 100 elements are called super heavy elements. Previous class we discussed root words. How is that IUPAC name? What is root words? Numbers. Number 0 root word name 1 and 2 by 3 try 4 quad 5 pen 6 sept 6 has 5 7 sept 8 oct 9 and those are root words. All are practice root words nana. Okay, very good. First we have to write root words. After that we have to write suffix IUM. Okay, next we have discussed now 100 elements we have, children. First 100 element. 100 first all of you write, draw this table nana. Atomic number, common name, symbol, IUPAC name, symbol. First element what nana? 100. 100 common name fermium. 100 common name fermium. All of you draw this table and practice thoroughly. 100 common name fermium. Symbol F. Symbol F. We have to write symbol. First letter write capital letter, second letter write small letter. IUPAC name. One being nilium. Nilium. Symbol UNN. Next 101. 101 common name Mendelevium. 101 Mendelevium. 101 common name Mendelevium. Symbol MD. Symbol MD. IUPAC name Anilanium. Anilanium. Symbol UNU. Next 102. 102 common name Nobelium. 102 common name Nobelium. Symbol MO. Symbol MO. IUPAC name Anilium. Symbol UNB. Next 103 element Lawrencium. 103 element common name Lawrencium. Symbol LR. IUPAC name Uniltrimium. Symbol UNT. Next 104. 104 common name Rutherfordium. Symbol RF. Rutherfordium symbol RF. Scientist name Rutherfordium symbol RF. IUPAC name Anilquadium symbol UNQ. Next 105 rubidium. 105 rubidium symbol DB. IUPAC name Anilpentium. Symbol UNP. Next element 106 cerobium as symbol SG. IUPAC name Anilexim. Symbol H. 107 Na borium symbol BH. IUPAC name Unilseptium. Unilseptium symbol UNS. UNS. Next 108 ASIum. 108 ASIum. 108 ASIum symbol HS. Name IUPAC name Unilactium symbol UNO. Symbol UNO. Next 109 Metallium. 109 common name Metallium symbol MT. IUPAC name Anilinium. Anilinium symbol UNA. So those are the 100 to 101. All of you practice this table. Draw this table, write neatly and learn properly. 100 common name fermium. 100 common name fermium symbol FM. IUPAC name Anilinium symbol UNN. 101 common name Mendelevium symbol MD. IUPAC name Anilinium UNN symbol UNN. UNU. 102 Nobelium common name Nobelium symbol NO. IUPAC name Anilinium symbol UNB. 103 common name Lawrencium. Common name Lawrencium symbol LR. IUPAC name Anilinium symbol UNT. 104 common name Rutherfordium. Common name Rutherfordium symbol RF. IUPAC name Anilpodium. Anilpodium symbol UNQ. 105 Dovanium. Dovanium symbol DF. IUPAC name Anilpentium symbol UNP. 106 common name Cerobium symbol SG. IUPAC name Anilxium symbol UNH. 107 common name Borium symbol BH. IUPAC name Anilseptium symbol UNS. 108 common name Asium symbol HS. IUPAC name Anilatium symbol UNO. 109 Metallium symbol MT. IUPAC name Anilinium symbol UNO. All of you draw the table, write neatly, clearly. Don't write mistakes. All of you write down Nana. Atomic number, common name, symbol, IUPAC name, symbol. Common name symbol, IUPAC name symbol. Common name symbol, IUPAC name symbol. Okay, 100 to 109. Write down fast. 100 fermium, 101 mendelevium, 102 nobelium, 103 lawrencium, 104 rutherfordium, 105 rubidium, 106 cerobium, 107 borium, 108 calcium, 109 metallium. Next 110. 110 Dermostadium, 110 common name Dermostadium, symbol DS. IUPAC name Unilium symbol UUN. Next 111 Rentiginum RG symbol. IUPAC name Anium UUU. Next 112 Copernicium. 112 common name Copernicium. 112 common name Copernicium symbol CR. IUPAC name Anbium symbol UUB. Next 113 Niholium. 113 common name Niholium. 113 common name Niholium. 113 common name Niholium symbol NH. IUPAC name Antium symbol UUT. Next 114 Florencium symbol FL. Common name Florencium symbol FL. IUPAC name Anquarium symbol UUQ. Next 115 Moscovium. 115 Moscovium MC Anpentium symbol. IUPAC name Anpentium symbol UUP. Next 116 Lawrencium TS, IUPAC name Septium, symbol UUS. Next 118 organism OZ, IUPAC name Archaeum, symbol UUO. Once again I repeat and listen. 110 Dermisterium, symbol DS, IUPAC name Nilium, symbol UUN. 111 Rhodesianum, symbol HG, Rhodesianum, symbol HG, symbol RG, IUPAC name Anium, symbol UUU. 112 common name Copernicium, symbol Copernicium, symbol CR, Copernicium, symbol CR, and IUPAC name Anvium, UUB. 130 Linoleum, symbol NH, CP, symbol CP, IUPAC name Anvium, symbol UUB. Next 130 symbol common name Linoleum, symbol NH, IUPAC name Anvium, symbol UUT. 114 common name Floresium, symbol FL, IUPAC name Podium, symbol UUQ. 115 Moscovium, symbol MC, IUPAC name Pentium, symbol UUP. 116 common name Lowlandium, symbol LV, IUPAC name Axiom, symbol UUT. 117 common name Tenesium, symbol TS, IUPAC name Septium, symbol US. 118 organism, symbol OZ, IUPAC name Octium, symbol UUO. Okay children, all of you practice root words, after that common name and IUPAC name 100 to 118. All of you draw this table and practice thoroughly. Learn properly 100 to 118 common name and IUPAC name. Okay children, thank you. See you next class.